PVC cold welding of cushion vinyl using the masking tape method number 2. This film will demonstrate the steps for using the Werner Müller PVC cold welding system, professional and proper execution. Instructions with safety and risk information accompany our products. The method shown should be tested for suitable application. Products of the Werner Müller company for a successful PVC cold welding. To achieve a nearly invisible seam using Werner Müller PVC cold welding system, a closely cut seam is required. This can be done by using the double cut technique. The floor covering should be overlapped. The PVC floor layers should overlap between 3 and 5 centimeters. The seam area must be clean and dry for the professional cold welding. A special masking tape which is resistant to the cold welding liquid has to be fixed evenly along the edge of the floor covering where the double cut will be achieved. This is absolutely vital to avoid damage to the outer floor finish coating, for instance made of polyurethane. Apply the masking tape tightly by using a seam roller. This is to prevent the cold welding liquid from penetrating underneath the tape. Subsequently, place the upper lining back over the lower one. For the cold welding, the seam area must be clean and dry. The masking tape has to be fixed evenly on the upper lining congruently above the masking tape of the lower lining. Apply the masking tape tightly by using a seam roller. This is to prevent the cold welding liquid from penetrating underneath the tape. Before achieving the double cut, make sure that both masking tapes, on the lower and upper lining, are congruently with each other. The overlapping layers will be cut in one step alongside a metal bar. After the double cut, the remainders have to be removed. In case the PVC floor covering is not plastered holohedral on the floor, please make sure that the instructions of the producer of the floor covering will be followed properly. The seam area has to be fixed to the floor by using an adequate double-sided adhesive tape. Bring both edges tightly together. Press the PVC floor covering firmly to the double-sided adhesive tape to avoid height differences of the two layers. Shake the tube well before use. For close-cut seams, which usually come with newly installed PVC flooring, the cold welding liquid type A with the firmly mounted needle from Werner Müller Company should be used. Clean the nozzle and needle before use with a clean cloth. To apply the cold welding liquid, press the needle firmly into the seam and guide the flow of the liquid along the edge with the free hand. The amount of cold welding liquid used is ideal if a line of approximately 5 mm appears on the masking tape. Make sure that none of the cold welding liquid drips or flows onto the uncovered area of the floor. After 10 minutes, the cold welding liquid on the masking tape should be dry, so the masking tape can be removed, leaving behind a strong and nearly invisible seam. The quality of the WM PVC cold welding technique has been proven by extensive testing. For this we have quality certificates from the Independent Testing Institute IFF Prüfinstitut für Bau- und Fußbodentechnik Koblenz, Germany. Details concerning the results are available by request. When used properly, our products are harmless to your health. This statement is certified by the Building Staff Association, an independent and approved professional institute. The results are published in the Handbook for Building Chemicals in Germany.